Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, everyone.
Walaikum sir.
How are all of you?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
So, all of you just you all did the things I tell you in our previous class. All of you did that or not yet? So, we have today our new internee here with us. Her name is Sabah. So, Sabah, introduce yourself first and tell me what are your goals and the things you want to achieve through this internship. Please introduce yourself shortly. So, all of you, here we have new internee with us. Her name is Sabah, and Sabah, please tell about yourself, what you want to do, and what how you polish yourself to this internship. Please introduce yourself shortly. Sabah, can you hear me? So all of you, I think Sabah have internet problem. So all of you, please tell. In our previous class, I will give you a task. I give you a task that you will revise the React concepts, a basic concept from React, and you should revise that or not yet. If you should revised, and if you have any problem, please let me know if you have any problem in that. So I will do some short questions answer session, one by one randomly. So my first question is from Erdelian. Erdelian, my
Yes, sir.
first question is from you. The question is that what is React, why we use React, and what is the purpose of the React?
So, sir, we use React for creating dynamic interfaces, interactive interfaces for web pages, for applications, for mobile apps, for desktop apps.
Okay.
This
So
is why we use React.
okay,
It's the library.
okay, Ardelian. And next question, Ardelian, is from you is that what is the difference between static and dynamic website?
Between static and dynamic,
Yes, difference between
uh,
is
it,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the dynamic will change. Basically, React is based on components,
Mm.
and by saying dynamic, it means that we will change the components inside our pages.
Yes.
Either either it's,
The main difference is between static and dynamic website is that in static we have static data that cannot be changed. Okay. In dynamic we
yes,
have real time data that can change again and again. Like we have backend with that. Okay. So this is the main difference
yes,
between static and dynamic. Okay.
exactly.
Okay. So next thing is that what are the hooks in React?
Also
Just
for me, the
yes,
question.
yes, yes. Just name them. Just name them.
Uh, Use state, use effect, use context, use memo. There are lots of different hooks.
Okay. So tell me that you should revise the React. You should revise them. You have any problem in that concepts, in basic concepts? You have any problem, or you are clear in that?
I'm pretty much clear, yes.
Okay, okay. If you
Some
have,
small problems, but
okay, if you have any
sorry.
problem, you will ask me. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So my next question is from, uh, Saida Abiha. Sayyida Abiha, can you hear me? Sayyida Abiha, can you hear me? Okay, so we move towards the next. If anyone have any problem, please tell me. Otherwise, I move towards the next things. Okay. Your voice is not reach to me. I think you have mic problem.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum salam.
सर मैंने पूछना था कि रेडिक्स हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं रिएक्ट में?
Redux we use for managing our states globally. Globally states को manage करने के लिए हम Redux को यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. इसमें आपका डाटा बैकएंड के साथ इंटरलिंक होता है और जितनी भी चीज़ें होती हैं आप कह सकते हैं इसको कि टोटली ये इंटरलिंक होता है आपके बैकएंड के साथ और टोटली कम्युनिकेट करता है. ठीक है. जितने भी आपकी छोटी छोटी स्टेट्स होती हैं कंपोनेंट्स के अंदर वो रिडक्स के थ्रू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लोबली स्टेट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम बोलते हैं उसको, इससे वो मैनेज होती हैं. ठीक है.
सर बेसिकली जब हमारे पास काफ़ी कम्प्लेक्स डेटा हो जाता है जैसे 20+ कंपोनेंट हो जाते हैं तब भी हम रेडिक्स यूज़ करते हैं ना?
तब भी रिडक्स यूज़ करते हैं. हमारे पास 6 कंपोनेंट तब भी रिडक्स यूज़ करते हैं. ये ज़रूरी नहीं क्योंकि डाटा हमने बैकएंड से भी लेना है, वो रिडक्स के थ्रू ही आना है, वैसे नहीं आना वो.
ओके।
ठीक है.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम.
सर ये हुक्स के अंदर यूज़ कॉल बैक क्यों यूज़ करते हैं?
यूज़ कॉल बैक आपके कुछ फंक्शंस कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिसके हम यूज़ कॉल बैक यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. लाइक हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा डाटा होता है जैसे हम उसकी एग्जांपल इस तरह से ले सकते हैं. उसको हम रोल बैक भी कहते हैं. मींस के आप कोई चीज़ करवा रहे हैं, मींस के इफ़ वी हैव एनी यूज़र, हम अगर उसका कोई डाटा दे रहे हैं, लाइक अगर वो लॉगिन कर रहा है तो लॉगिन करते वक्त नोटिफिकेशन एडमिन को जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. वो यूज़र लॉगिन हो गया. ठीक है. अब होता ये है कुछ केसेस में होता ये है कि नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचता नहीं है तो वो उस बैक उस पॉइंट के ऊपर वो कॉल बैक या रोल बैक कर जाता है, वो लॉगिन करवा देता है बट एरर शो नहीं करवाता। ठीक हो गया? मीन्स कि आपको डैशबोर्ड शो हो जाएगा तो आपको कोई एरर नहीं आएगा उसके ऊपर, इसीलिए वो यूज़ करते हैं हम।
ओके सर।
Okay, I will show you a short project. It's based on real-time application, and I also show how the things are working real time with Redux, with each and everything. यार 2 मिनट ना चुप कर जाया करो, बाहर चल लो, वो चीज़ चल रही है उधर। तो आप आगे बाहर निकलो सारे इधर, चलो। So here I showing you a project, a real-time project, which is our US client project, and this is basically a Mars research, and it's basically a survey project where we took the survey, we took the interviews all over country wise and out of country as well. Okay, so I'm showing you that how that's working. Its front end is on React JS, and we make the custom plugins in that to make our work easier. We make 4 to 5 you can say plugins, and we combine them, and then it's been live. This is basically a product that we working on that from almost 3 years. So if I give the example of login, how we login and how the APIs can hit. So this is my login data, and in networks when I click on login, this API can hit. You can see you can hear that, see here that API can hit, and it's moved towards the dashboard, like it's me, it's my data. Okay, it's my data, and these are the cores. Anybody have any like question related cores, any one can ask me in last class. So this is a cross region cross origin restriction. So here we have a data of a user. This is data I can put in that. So this is the data. Okay, currency we have this is the data is taking from the backend and models. This is the data. Okay, the user data, emails, SMS, security, response. It's basically comes from, you can say, uh, it's basically come from Redux. Okay, it's catch by Redux and it's show by Redux, and is in.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही.
You have net problem, you should rejoin. All of you my screen is showing to all of you or not?
सर शेयर हो रही
Visible
है.
है sir.
So
Yes, I see it.
so you have net problem.
सर
So this is this is a method that API can hit, and out the data is showing to us. So these are the locations, these are the IDs and array of objects showing to me. Okay, the data on the dashboard.
Sir, is this a
सर ये
JSON?
एपीआई
Yes, yes, one by one.
सर ये एपीआईज है.
ये एपीआई से हिट हो रहा है, ये बैकएंड से डाटा आ रहा है, बैकएंड के ऊपर एपीआईज हमने इसके ऊपर बनाई है, रूबी पाइथन पे काम किया था, रूबी ऑन रेल्स लैंग्वेज बैकएंड पे लगाई है, फ्रंट एंड पे हमने इस पर रिएक्ट का यूज़ किया है. तो एपीआईज ये इस तरह नहीं बनती, एपीआईज आपकी जावास्क्रिप्ट पे बनती. जावास्क्रिप्ट पे आपकी जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग कमांड होगी उतने अच्छी आप एपीआईज बना सकते हैं. अब ये रिक्रूटिंग, I should click on recruiting. This is a grid data. So the grid data showing in the form of that, like response, like preview. I have preview in the result. We have ID, name, like data. The first is consumer goods. Okay. So here we have. I can show you. These are. This is the that I can showing to you. This one I think. Okay, so this data is showing in that way to us from the backend in the form of JSON data, and this is the application regarding recruiting, form builder, custom form building we can do here, like that. Like we have edit mode, we can go in the flow, we have that process. Here we make the custom form styles. Here we add the questions for the survey. Okay, they have many questions. Okay, add like I page, add page, and I here I add the question. Sorry, I add the questions here. These are the questions: single choice, multi-line. We have many types in that. Okay, so here we go to the styles of that. Like we make the form by our own. Like background color we give red. Question divider, there is a question divider. Spacing, display width. Okay, font size and styles. Headers, logo, text only, and also footer. Additional text is on in the footer. If I do text here, it will show the footer. We have the buttons of the inputs, and we also have its live test mode. Here we can test that data. Okay, like it can show you that your form will be submitted successfully. So here we have many components, many features in that. It's a very big application. You can say it's a very big project. Yeah, we can done that. Like we working on its fourth phase or fourth version of that. Okay, so this is a real-time data. I can show you here. This is a real-time data, and the clients and the recruiters are working on that. So this is live project. Okay, so now the things are that we here we have we should mm, do some things like short projects, short things in that by parts. Okay, like our next task is to do the short projects like use state, like we use the react in that. You have your previous projects, you convert them into the react. Okay, and by using use state you should implement the react on that step by step. So first task, I will also share the last time task with you yesterday of front end as example project. So you should took an idea from that, and you should start the working on our that project. And now Minahil, you should explain the task of CGPA calculator of university students, and please continue.
Assalamu alaikum. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Walaikum.
Okay. You have I think completed three tasks based on HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and all of that, right? So we will now be moving towards React. So your first task for React will be, as I said, is the CGPA calculator. As you all know, there's a basic formula for CGPA. It's every grade has a fixed GPA. Like for A grade, you get 4 GPA, and then every university has a different. You can research for your own university and make it according to that. So the basic formula is the GPA that you took of that subject multiply with the credit hours, and you add all of the courses you took and divide it by the total number of credit hours you have completed in your university. So you have to create this project on React. You have to create something that will be able to create your CGPA just if you add your grade. You will say first subject this name, then you will give the grade that you have taken, and then your CGPA should be calculated automatically based on the based on the formula you put in your code. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So this will be the next task, inshallah. You all have to create a CGPA calculator according to the formulas given by universities or any university. There is no fixed requirement for that. So you will create a website which should have a landing page, and then you will go towards your CGPA calculator where you will add all of your subjects and your grades, and then your CGPA should be calculated. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that's clear.
Very good. Uh, is there anything else?
The thing Minahil also explained to you, you should work on that. You should do R&D on that. If you all of you have any problem in that, you should reach us. And Minahil also tell all of you that we starting the program of full day internship for those students who are free, the students who didn't have universities nowadays. So please, some tell all of them something about those things.
Okay, so basically, we have started the initiative of a full-time internship, basically office hours internship. Whenever you join any internship, generally you work in their office times. We have created a very flexible model because we know there are a lot of university students and people who are busy with other stuff as well, like other jobs or maybe something home related. So basically, if anyone is interested and they're free, they don't have anything, any other commitments, so they can join the full-time internship. What our model will be for that is that you will be working with us 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., where we will give you tasks every single day, which you have to complete during that time. So instead of working on your own timetable and schedule, we are creating your schedule ourselves. The basic reason for that is so that you can learn how to work in a professional environment under deadlines, day to day deadlines, office hours, and stuff like that. So, in that internship, we will be continuing the same internship. It's not like we're doing something completely different. These classes will still be going on, the Tuesdays and Thursdays classes, but that is an extra initiative for anyone that is interested. We will be collaborating and communicating with the students who join that day to day, every single day. 2 p.m. we will get take reports from you guys, what you've done of the tasks that we have given, assign you new tasks, and we will go on like that. We will not be giving any live projects in that. We will be working on your own projects that you decide yourself, and we will create schedules, timetables for that specific project that you have decided.
Okay.
Like, for example, if someone decides that they want to create a school management system by the end of this internship, we will take that idea of theirs and we will give them day to day tasks for that system, so that by the end of this internship, you will have a full fledged front end based project that you can add to your profiles, GitHub profiles, LinkedIn, to your resumes, and anything like that. The reason we will not be getting you guys to work on live projects is because obviously live projects are something that developers are working on already. And adding you guys will mess up that project a bit because obviously, and you won't get to learn anything because you'll have to look at the whole system, and you will have to go through it and everything. So basically, we are going to give you your own projects you decide yourself, so that you can learn, and it will be a very, I think it will be a learning experience. So anyone who is interested in that, who is free for that, please contact Sir after the class, inshallah, and that will start from this Monday, inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
My one question is, beginners can take part in it.
Yes, beginners can
Yes.
take part in this, but consistency matters first. Okay. So the thing is that we giving the time to all of you all day, okay? लाइक आप लोग उस पर काम करेंगे तो मैं सारा दिन अपना टाइम आप लोगों को, लाइक आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम आता है वो बताऊंगा, अगर किसी का रिस्पांस आगे से ना आया तो आई विल क्लोज दैट, ओके? तो ये चीज़ है, इसमें मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए और चीज़ें चाहिए। अगर किसी ने ज्वाइन करना है तो उसको थोड़ा सोच समझ के करे ज्वाइन, ठीक है? क्योंकि इसमें इस तरह से नहीं होगा कि आप उसमें अपनी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दिखा रहे, चीज़ें नहीं दिखा रहे, काम आपको करवाया जाएगा, चीज़ आपको बताई जाएगी। सो यू शुड टेक अ पार्ट इफ़ यू, आप समझते हैं कि हम इसमें पार्ट ले सकते हैं, हमारे पास टाइम है, हम इसको अवेल कर सकते हैं, तो यू शुड ज्वाइन। अदरवाइज आप क्लासेस के साथ चलें, इफ़ एनी वन, ऑल ओवर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? अपना चीज़ें देख के अपनी, क्योंकि इसमें हमने आपको टाइम देना प्रॉपर, इसमें भी टाइम दे रहे हैं, उसमें भी टाइम देना। उसमें ये होगा कि आपको ऐसा आपके ऊपर नहीं बैठे होंगे, आपको हम लोग सुबह 11 बजे रिक्वायरमेंट्स दे देंगे, उस पर आप काम स्टार्ट करेंगे, 2 बजे आपसे अपडेट्स लेंगे, कोई मसला होगा वो शुड आपको बताएं। क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट बनाना काम नहीं होता, प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर बग्स फिक्स करना, प्रोजेक्ट की टेस्टिंग होती है, प्रोजेक्ट सही तरीके से काम कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, वो सारा एक इस टाइम में देखा जाता है, ठीक है? अगर कोई चीज़ ऐड करवानी होगी, कोई चीज़ को हमने चेंज करवाना है, वी शुड आस्क, जो ज्वाइन करेगा उसको हम बताएंगे कि जी इसको आप इस तरह से करें, इसके अंदर ये चेंजेस करें, ये करके दें। तो ये चीज़ें इस तरह से हैं, वो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके अपने होंगे, वो इंटर्नशिप का पार्ट ही है। अगर कोई इजीली, किसी को फोर्सफुली नहीं है, इजीली आना चाहता है, यू शुड, अदरवाइज वो चीज़ें इस तरह से चल रही हैं, ओके? सो in a while or in after 1 hour I will share the task with you related your CGPA calculator using React, and also if anyone have any confusion on that, you should contact us. And also if anyone interested in that program that I said and Minahil said, you should message me after the class uh, with your own decision. We don't forcefully doing with you that, okay? So that is the thing. So all of you, today class is it's going to ending. So inshallah we meet in the next class with the next tasks, and the next we do the meeting with you, or we do the some other inform you in the group, like we make another group for that students who can join that program, and we will also inform you in that, okay? We will engage with you day by day, okay? And if you have any problem, any questions, you should ask me and message me. I will guide you more about those things. So for today, Allah Hafiz to all of you. But Minahil and Sabah, you should stay here, and all of you, Allah Hafiz, you should leave.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
अल्लाह हाफिज़ सर।
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
Okay.